this video, we look at the front suspension strut top mounting, which is a common wear item on the Hyundai Ioniq AE, a model available as a hybrid, PHEV or EV. Worn steering and suspension components can cause issues such as knocking or creaking noises over uneven road surfaces, as well as vague steering, poor handling and inconsistent tyre wear. To take out the suspension strut assembly, remove the anti-roll bar link from the strut and the retaining clamps for the brake hose and wheel speed sensor. Then release the strut assembly from the hub by removing the two fixing bolts. Lower the vehicle and remove the seal and retaining clips from the windscreen plastic panel. Close the bonnet and remove both wiper arms, noting their position for refitting. Open the bonnet and unclip the washer tube and then remove the complete plastic panel. This then reveals the three retaining nuts, undo these, and then remove the complete suspension strut assembly. Compress the spring and undo the retaining nut. The suspension unit comprises of a damper unit, including a piston protector, the road spring, including retaining cups and fixings, and the suspension strut mounting. After the removal of the strut's top mount and bearing, it was revealed that the bearing was very worn, the cause of the creaking noise on the featured vehicle. We are using Blueprint strut top mounting kits, including bearing AD-BP 800-300, plus shock absorber protection kit AD-BP 840063 for this repair. For ease of fitment, assemble all the new parts before installation. Before reassembling the suspension strut, ensure any of the components that are being reused are in good serviceable condition. Compress the road spring, align it onto the damper, then insert the spring seat into the shock absorber. Slide the piston protector and bump stop onto the damper piston and align the bearing and mounting onto the spring and damper piston. Finally, attach the retaining nut and tighten. Then release the pressure from the compressed road spring. Be sure to inspect the assembly before fitting it to the car. Once the suspension strut is reassembled with the new mounting and bearing, it can be fitted to the vehicle, noting the arrow on the mounting that should be pointing inwards towards the engine bay. Tighten all bolts and fixings to the manufacturer's recommended torque settings. Refit the windscreen plastic panel and wiper arms, checking wiper and washer operation and alignment. After replacing any steering or suspension component, it is advisable to check the wheel alignment against the manufacturer's settings and adjust as necessary. Finally, road test the vehicle to check for correct and quiet operation of the suspension and steering.